ask me if I love you, and I choke on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with a lie.
And who am I to judge you on what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you.
And sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much, and I had to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. And all its strategies leaves me battling with my pride, but through the insecurities, some tenderness survives.
I'm just another rider, still trapped within my truth. A hesitant prize fighter, still trapped within my youth.
Sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. Oh girl, at times I'd like to break through and hold you endlessly. At times I understand you, and I know how hard you tried. Our thoughts where love commands you, and our thoughts left as you by.
At times I think what returns, still searching for
a brother or a sister, but then the passion flares again. Oh, and sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much, and I had to close my eyes and hide. Oh, I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides.
You're not trusting your heart to anyone. You tell me you're gonna play it smart. You flew before the sun, but I believe that we'd only just begun. Well, this is good.